Every morning you do the same things. Wake up, shower, coffee, go. But can you say that in English? I wake up. I brush my teeth. I drink coffee. Say it with me. I hit snooze 3 times before I actually get up. Can you say that? You will by the end of this. I say it, you repeat it. No grammar rules. No writing. Just you speaking English out loud. I'm Camila, and this is English with Camila. Let's start. Good morning. Say it with me. Good morning. One more time. Good morning. I'm Camila. Today we shadow morning routines. I say it, you repeat it, that's it. Don't think, just say it. Simple sentences first, then full natural English. Stay with me. Okay, let's go. Simple sentences, things you do every morning. I wake up. I wake up. I open my eyes. I open my eyes. I stretch. I stretch. I yawn. I yawn. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. Good. 10 sentences, simple, real, yours. Let's keep going. A little more detail, still simple. I wake up at 7. I wake up at 7. I wake up early. I wake up early. I wake up late. I wake up late. I don't want to get up. I don't want to get up. I hit the snooze button. I hit the snooze button. I check my phone. I check my phone. I check the time. I check the time. I turn off my alarm. I turn off my alarm. I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. I make my bed. I make my bed. Nice. You're talking about your morning in English. Now food and drinks. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I skip breakfast. I skip breakfast. I make coffee. I make coffee. I drink coffee. I drink coffee. I drink tea. I drink tea. I drink orange juice. I drink orange juice. I eat toast. I eat toast. I eat eggs. I eat eggs. I eat fruit. I eat fruit. I don't eat in the morning. I don't eat in the morning. Good. Now let's talk about getting ready. Things you do before you leave the house. I take a shower. I take a shower. I take a cold shower. I take a cold shower. I wash my hair. I wash my hair. I dry my hair. I dry my hair. I get dressed. I get dressed. I choose my clothes. I choose my clothes. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I put on my jacket. I put on my jacket. I look in the mirror one more time. I look in the mirror one more time. We all do that last one. Now feeling words. How do you feel? I feel tired. I feel tired. I feel sleepy. I feel sleepy. I feel groggy. I feel groggy. That heavy feeling right after you wake up. I feel groggy. I feel awake. I feel awake. I feel refreshed. I feel refreshed. I feel rushed. I feel rushed. I feel calm. I feel calm. I feel ready. I feel ready. I don't feel ready at all. I don't feel ready at all. Now frequency words. Always, usually, sometimes, never. These make your English sound natural. I always drink coffee in the morning. I always drink coffee in the morning. I usually wake up at 6:30. I usually wake up at 6:30. I sometimes feel tired in the morning. I sometimes feel tired in the morning. I never skip breakfast. I never skip breakfast. I check my phone before I get up. I check my phone before I get up. I rarely sit down to eat. I rarely sit down to eat. I always feel better after a shower. I always feel better after a shower. I usually leave the house by 8. I usually leave the house by 8. I sometimes forget things at home. I sometimes forget things at home. I never feel ready on Mondays. I never feel ready on Mondays. Nobody does. Now questions and answers, real conversations. I say both, you repeat both. Ready? What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7. I wake up at 7. Do you eat breakfast? Do you eat breakfast? Yes, I eat toast and drink coffee. Yes, I eat toast and drink coffee. Do you work out in the morning? Do you work out in the morning? Sometimes, not every day. Sometimes, not every day. How long to get ready? How long to get ready? About 30 minutes. About 30 minutes. Are you a morning person? Are you a morning person? Not really. I need coffee first. Not really. I need coffee first. The first thing you do in the morning? The first thing you do in the morning? I check my phone. I know. I check my phone. I know. How do you feel when you wake up? How do you feel when you wake up? Honestly, pretty tired most days. Honestly, pretty tired most days. Good, now longer sentences, natural speed. Don't stop, keep going. Alarm goes off, I never want to move. Alarm goes off, I never want to move. First thing I do is check my phone. First thing I do is check my phone. I spend 10 minutes just lying in bed. I spend 10 minutes just lying in bed. After I shower, I feel much more awake. After I shower, I feel much more awake. I make coffee while I get dressed. I make coffee while I get dressed. I listen to music while I get ready. I listen to music while I get ready. Some mornings everything goes smoothly. Some mornings everything goes smoothly. Other mornings I can't find anything. Other mornings I can't find anything. No time to sit, I eat standing up. No time to sit, I eat standing up. By the time I leave, I'm already tired. By the time I leave, I'm already tired. Last section, full natural sentences. The kind a real person actually says. Slow down if you need to, sound natural. I hit snooze 3 times before getting up. I hit snooze 3 times before getting up. I need coffee before I talk to anyone. I need coffee before I talk to anyone. My routine takes about 45 minutes. My routine takes about 45 minutes. I like quiet mornings, no scrolling, just coffee. I like quiet mornings, no scrolling, just coffee. I feel better when I wake up early. I feel better when I wake up early. Weekdays I'm up by 7. Weekends, don't ask. Weekdays I'm up by 7. Weekends, don't ask. The hardest part is getting out of bed. The hardest part is getting out of bed. Once I'm moving, it's the starting that's hard. Once I'm moving, it's the starting that's hard. I feel better once I'm out the door. I feel better once I'm out the door. A bad morning can still be good. A bad morning can still be good. That's your morning routine in English. Simple sentences, real sentences, natural sentences. Say them tomorrow while you brush your teeth. That's how it sticks. I'm Camila. See you in the next episode.